no, oh no, oh no. Alright, what is up, you guys? It is Vlogmas day 10, I think, because I really don't know. But we are about to go to the mall real quick because Jalen wants to exchange something. This is what I have on, y'all. It's like 3 o'clock. But let me show you guys real quick what I got on because it's kind of cute. Sorry, it's a little crooked, but this is what I have on today. This is a scarf that I got from, I don't even know, I think it's from like Zara or something. And then this jacket is from Zara. What's a shacket? Shacket is from Zara. This shirt, oversized shirt, is from Urban Outfitters. I have on some leggings. These are from Skims. And then I have on my ones. Dang, y'all can't even see. Let me see. Let me just hold it. But yeah, I have on my ones. These are like the Tokyo. Girl, I don't know. I just love these things. But yeah, this is what I am wearing today. And we are actually about to head out the door right now because we got to go. We got some things we want to do today. We're going to like make our little gingerbread houses and do some other little stuff. So yeah, I just want to say hello because I feel like I haven't been doing that in my vlogs, so I'm sorry. I'm being a very bad vlogger, but let's go. Oh yeah, I got those because of you.
Oh really?
Remember when I asked you like what were some good?
Oh, the princess.
And I got those other, my black ones, because you said those were good too. No, the black Nikes.
Nike darts.
Yes, I think so. Yes. Get into my sis, and that's just on. Oh yes, it's so cute. She got it yesterday at Bath and Body Works.
Yeah.
Super cute. I wish I had that one. Cause it's like,
no, we can switch because you got me.
I was gonna say you love the cheetah leopard print.
I love that.
I like that one though. It's like rose gold. Yeah. Low key, I want that one. I'm gonna think about it because I'm like, that's like really cute.
I don't have a whole lot of vent room.
Take this off. Look that look.
Ain't nothing even in.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright.
I need to get the tab out of there.
It's okay.
You know what?
And then when the light hits it, ooh.
Later.
That's my thing. I ain't gonna tell me to get my degree and then say focus on you. Like,
Right. Y'all, we trying to get some food at Cheesecake Factory. They talking about, oh, we don't do reservations. Girl, ain't you supposed to be doing reservations? Like what?
Like they don't hold tables for folks.
Why?
Yeah, I think that's what a lot of people do. They stop doing it.
Well, we over here, child. Look, see? Now, Jayla trying to run. Look at her, look at her. We here though. That's so irritating. I think she's talking about an hour wait. Right.
She gonna be in the trunk though.
They got the child in the trunk,
Yo.
y'all. I can't
What
even.
in the child endangerment?
Y'all see
is going
them
on?
right there. Let me call. Look at his booty. God dang, he thick.
They did got slides on like
Ooh.
sir.
And it. Oh my God, y'all
She
look,
is
look,
really in the
look.
trunk.
She. God.
What?
First of all,
insane.
yeah, I did that before in a truck.
Lord.
I was just so pressed to go.
See, that's how it be. Like in your younger years, like, you know what? I don't care if y'all ain't got no room.
Right.
We're gonna make some room.
Lock this door. You got some hand sanitizer? Hand san.
We're gonna make some room. Look, girl, I got the big jug in here.
Ooh, come on.
Girl, yes.
Yes. Y'all, they blow me. Like, I don't understand.
She just saying rude, and then it's like, y'all know good and well we got on these masks. Like, y'all can talk louder, pronunciate. say.
Y'all ain't even see when I called, but I called and I'm like, can I make a reservation? Like, why do I have to come in?
Her response should have been, we don't do reservations anymore, but we can definitely put you on a wait list. The wait is about an hour and a half at the moment.
And if you're not here
within 10 minutes, your reservation, well, your name will be
gone and somebody's gonna fill it in. They lucky I like Cheesecake Factory. Like, they lucky I want me some strawberry lemonade.
And then for all this, the food better be...
Okay, it better hit. The chef, the chef,
I mean...
he better be on point today.
He better be the head chef. Cooking,
all
okay?
right.
How you doing, sir? Got a lot of stuff.
How you doing?
Girl, your face.
Jalen is too funny to me.
Someone says, when it comes to baking, you have to be exact with the ingredients. You guys try, though. I know.
She's like my mother. Whoever that was. Sounds just like my mom.
That's to have exact.
She said, you shouldn't have added like extra water.
Can't do the extra water. You have to use exactly
Who is
what they say.
Kedro.
Who is that with them shorty shorts on at the tag? What's going on?
Okay.
Huh? Okay.
Yes, I'm here for it.
That's what we posted you.
Yes. I love having, like, you know, males follow me that aren't like, ooh, let me get at her. Like, you know, just like my content. And he in DC. Yes. Get into it. Get into it right quick.
Get into the pose. Get into the arm. You know we love an arm moment.
And he got a dog. And he has a dash hound. And I want, or dachshund, whatever you want to call it. And I want one. See, I be seeing y'all's profiles. All this JT. They do.
Okay, that's
SRT.
Oh, I'm GY3. 55 30.
You am not your nobody.
You can't fit me.
We made it in, y'all. Finally. But yeah, I can't talk too much because they got the music on. But here's my beautiful team. Y'all, look at this salad compared to my hand. God.
Do you guys have any type of hot sauce?
Okay, so we are back home. Clearly, socks of the day, so cute. The reindeers. So we're about to set up, you know, a little movie on our computer and do some gingerbread houses. Well, actually, the kit comes with a gingerbread house. It comes with a tree. Let me show y'all. And it comes with the little, they call this a kid. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's get into this Christmas spirit. Let's get into it. Man, y'all, I didn't even tell y'all about how I cut my dag on the first night she came down. Cut my dag on, leg open with my foot. Cause I need to get my toes done. My big toe had chips, so I don't even know if it's gonna show. Let me see. Right there. Girl, I don't know if I showed it on camera, but look. Yeah. Don't be trying to get up.
You are such a big boy. Ah, you like that. You like that. Oh my goodness. You like it.
Good boy.
Yeah,
Good boy.
you like that, Coco. You're so sweet. Oh my goodness.
I need a dog this size too. So I can have the best of both worlds.
Right.
Little friend.
Mm-hmm.
And I got my big friend.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
But not too big.
Not too.
I told her she should get a Cocker Spaniel. They're perfect. Oh yeah, you guys, we have some gifts under the tree. Well, actually, these are y'all's gifts right here. Whoever the winner is, these are their gifts. And some over there too. So like this is for day 9, day 4, day 2. So yeah, I just put them under the tree. I have to wrap like Aaron's gifts and stuff. My mom got these gifts over here. I don't know what these is. Well, actually, I do know what these are, but I don't know what this is. I don't see no name on it either, so it might be for me. You know, I don't know. Oh my gosh, y'all, I keep y'all stay leaning. Trying to be leaning like a mug. Let me see. Yeah, but it's just the first but.
Yeah.
Like what?
What's going on here?
Whoever is Megan Thee Stallion stan on this account, we are not for her. Okay, I do not stan Megan Thee Stallion. I'm sorry.
Magnificent, marvelous, and about.
They singing already.
Right.
This jacket is kind of tough.
His jacket.
It's not like if we can get rid of
The cufflinks, the cuffs.
yeah. I think it'd be a tough coat. Like yeah, with the pop of blue, yeah. It's a vibe.
I don't understand what it's talking about. Like it says easy build or something.
These directions suck.
Suck.
Put the other side of the holder under the other roof panel between the two windows.
Like just not making sense.
Yeah.
We just gonna have to hold it for a little bit. They got gumballs, little lights, gum drop.
That's the gum.
I love it. You remember this gum? I loved it.
It's like a big, huge bite into it, cracks, and it's like, okay.
You like cut it or the bubble yum. Bubble yum.
Bubble yum. I love the pink one.
Hit.
But the taste never lasted that long though.
But you use the whole pack though.
But
in
you
one
eat the
day.
whole pack.
I
Absolutely.
know I would.
Okay, start decorating the. Okay, we're definitely not at the decorating part. Okay.
We gotta build the house first. We got instructions. The icing tip, remove cap and snip the tip 1/4 from the end. Okay, we gotta cut it. I'm like, girl.
Oh, that's why it's not going in.
in.
And it's coming out the side.
Yeah. We gotta be precise here. Okay.
That's how we do.
I'm gonna use this tip. Ooh.
For the
That ain't good.
this is just
It tastes
gross.
like straight sugar.
Ooh.
Some children probably love this.
Yeah. We grown crap just in there looking like what?
What?
Like this is stupid.
It's like so confusing.
Yes. Nada. No, they ain't no good.
You're taking one home.
Look at leave it. What? We here all night.
Right.
Embarrassing.
But it's like, how is theirs so thick? Oh, they really squeezing.
He's doing this.
Yeah,
That's
he's
the demonstration.
He's like this. We are too old.
Honey, too old.
Like, this is gonna be so cute. Let's do this. Oh, guys. Get them walls together. Oh, Jesus. Smash it down into the icing. Oh, we got some balls. Okay, pipe work.
Okay. So that's what I always wonder, like, people do all this for the gingerbread house. Like, do y'all eat this?
I was gonna eat it.
Strictly for decoration.
Yeah.
Strictly. Okay. I feel like
This one? But then it's like,
it's definitely gonna go to because the things are going to the side. I mean, how do you want it to eat?
why don't you don't need nothing up here? Oh, that's something to decorate. You pushing yours in. Right here. There we go. Why is it like crooked? Oh, that's why they said need this. That joint sliding.
Girl.
Put the sliding on. There we go.
Cute.
Oh! Not the caving in.
Girl, what?
I did it on the other side too.
You did.
Girl.
Dang. Hang on.
Take this off.
Abort mission.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. Alright, that's good. We need some.
I was getting ready to say, we probably could use
Right here. Oh, right here?
No, like on the side.
Okay.
I know I made mine real skinny.
Alright, this time I ain't touching nothing else. Just like that.
Yeah.
There we go. Boom. Now we can start decorating. I'm about to put ice a little bit right here. Just a little bit. Alright.
It's coming together.
Alright, let's play Jingle Jangle back.
Putting everything together and then
All right, you guys, this is what we have. We've been on TikTok for like 5 hours. But look at these little titties over here. Look at this.
Girl, nips. And all.
Oh!
Honey, he was struggling
Look
from
at-
the jump,
Look
okay?
at our little man. He got a little belly button.
Oh, it's crusty on the tip. Baby, baby.
And then when we turn, we got the little tree. Ooh, it's okay. That's our tree. I mean, not a tree. That like the crazy good. That yeah, ho. But yeah, y'all tell us how we did.
Yeah. We struggle with cookies.
Right.
And then this. And this. What we finna do now?
Come here, baby. Oh my goodness.
What we finna do? Who we finna try?
That's